Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic PostgreSQL. So let's get started. Which index type is generally most efficient for indexing JSONB data when you need to perform containment operations? Add. The correct answer is option C, GN, Generalized Inverted Index. In PostgreSQL logical replication, what is the component on the subscriber side that receives changes from a publication? The correct answer is option B, subscription. Which window function would you use to return the value of an expression from the row immediately preceding the current row within a partition? The correct answer is option A, LG. What is the primary purpose of a recursive common table expression CTE in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option D, to query hierarchical or tree-structured data. Which data type is used specifically for full-text search in PostgreSQL to store a pre-processed document? The correct answer is option B, vector. When using the Postgres_FW extension, what command is used to map a local user to a user on the remote server? The correct answer is option C, create user mapping. Which hidden system column in PostgreSQL stores the identity of the transaction that inserted a row? The correct answer is option A, SMIN. What does the auto vacuum _vacuum scale _factor parameter determine? The correct answer is option D, the fraction of table records that must be dead before a vacuum is triggered. When running explain analyze, what does planning time represent? The correct answer is option B, the time taken by the optimizer to generate the execution plan. Which command is used to enable row-level security, RLS, on an existing table named orders? The correct answer is option C, alter table orders enable row-level security. Which function is used to get the next value from a sequence and advance the sequence counter? The correct answer is option A, nextVal. In declarative partitioning, which clause is used in the create table statement to specify the partitioning strategy? The correct answer is option D, partition by. Which index type is best suited for very large tables where the data has a natural correlation with the physical storage order, e.g., timestamps? The correct answer is option B, BRIN, block range index. If a transaction is set to serializable isolation level and a dependency conflict occurs with another concurrent transaction, what error does PostgreSQL throw? The correct answer is option C, could not serialize access due to read/write dependencies. PostgreSQL 9.4 introduced the filter clause for aggregate functions. What does it allow you to do? The correct answer is option A, apply a condition to which rows are included in an aggregate calculation. Which extension is commonly used in PostgreSQL to track execution statistics of all SQL statements executed on the server? The correct answer is option D, PG_stat_statements. What is the purpose of a tablespace in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. To define physical locations on the file system where database files are stored. What is a PostgreSQL advisory lock? The correct answer is option C. An application-defined lock that has no inherent meaning to the database engine. Which tool is used to perform a physical backup of a running PostgreSQL cluster? The correct answer is option A, PG_base backup. Which type of constraint ensures that no two rows have overlapping ranges, e.g., meeting room bookings? The correct answer is option D, exclusion constraint. What is the store data type used for? The correct answer is option B, storing sets of key-value pairs within a single PostgreSQL value. On which type of database object can you define an instead of trigger? The correct answer is option C, view. Which configuration parameter limits the amount of memory used by internal sort operations and hash tables before switching to temporary disk files? The correct answer is option A, work_mem. What happens to the write-ahead log WL files after a successful checkpoint? The correct answer is option D. They become eligible for removal or recycling for future use. Which utility is designed to upgrade a PostgreSQL data cluster to a newer major version with minimal downtime? The correct answer is option B, PG_upgrade. In PostgreSQL 12 and later, which function is used to query JSONB data using the SQL/JSON path language? The correct answer is option C, JSONB_path_query. What is the result of the expression int for range 10, 20 at 15? The correct answer is option A, true. What command must be executed to update the data in a materialized view? The correct answer is option D, refresh materialized view_name. When creating a function, what does the security definer attribute do? The correct answer is option B. The function executes with the privileges of the user who created it. Which background process is responsible for performing parallel sequential scans in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, parallel worker. Thank you for watching.